Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Blizzard Lighting Tournado WiMAX COB5. This fixture is designed for outdoor use, boasting an IP65 rating, so rain or shine, this part can handle it. At its heart are 725-watt RGBAW5 in-1 LEDs. This means you get a full spectrum of colors, from rich reds and vibrant greens to deep blues, ambers, and even white, all blended seamlessly. The color mixing is impressive, offering a wide palette for any event or application. The Tournado WiMAX COB5 has a fixed 60-degree beam angle. This provides a wide wash of light, perfect for illuminating large areas or stages. The unit features natural convection cooling, which means no noisy fans to distract from the performance. Navigating the settings is easy thanks to the OLED control menu with 4 touch-sensitive buttons. The menu is intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments to color, intensity, and other parameters. A standout feature is the built-in wireless WDMX receiver. This eliminates the need for messy cables, offering greater flexibility in placement and control. It's a huge time saver for any lighting professional. The Tournado WiMAX COB5 comes in a sleek black finish and includes dual mounting brackets for easy installation. It also features 3-pin DMX and PowerCon True 1 compatible AC and out connectors, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of lighting systems. The Blizzard Lighting Tournado WiMAX COB5 is a robust and versatile outdoor LED par. Its impressive color mixing, wireless DMX capabilities, and rugged construction make it a top contender for any outdoor lighting application.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.